Hey, welcome back to the Fit Survive channel. So what we have here today is a Dragonox Cadet X. So this is an 84mm knife, and you can see here I used the original A-lock scales, and also you can see that I used some torx screws. I picked those up from DeCustomForge on Instagram. I'll include a link to his channel in the description of the video if you'd like to see those. Basically, yeah, see his shop and what he has available. Also in the back, you can see I've included a titanium pocket clip that I anodized blue, and that kind of helps it match these G10 liners that we used. All right, and you may notice that the pocket clip is just a bit off center. That's simply because this top screw is actually attached to the pivot barrel here, and so that's why it's just a tidbit off to the right there. All right, so I'll go ahead and I'll show you the actual tool set. So the Spydernox Dragonfly 2 blade can be easily accessed with your right thumb. See, it's nice and snappy. You could use your middle finger, not my favorite way, especially since you have to kind of finish up with your thumb. I'm going to show you the action of it opening also. All right, so you can see it snaps open. This has the original profile. It did not change anything. In fact, also has the original edge. Did not resharpen it. I've actually several people ask if it doesn't tap against the springs on the inside, and of course it does not. It's intentionally adjusted to make sure that it does not. All right, and also you can see that the tip is just below the edge of the scale, which that's what we want to see. All right, and then why this gets the name Dragonox Cadet X, because I've included a pair of scissors here. And so since Victorinox stopped making scissors for an 84mm a good long time ago, we use this Winger style scissors. You can see it's a Winger style by this, the way that the spring is set up. So actually I got these from a Victorinox Evo series. And so I did some modifications to place that into this Cadet. All right, see, also nice and snappy there. Then the can opener and the bottle opener. All the tools are still nice and snappy. So with these torx screws, basically the smallest size I could find, or should I say actually the pivot barrels, the smallest size is a 2.5mm. Whereas the Cadet needs a 2.2. And so what I had to do was I had to drill out the tools and the springs so that it would accommodate these pivot barrels. All right, so other than that, that is all for this Cadet knife, this Dragonox Cadet X. So let me know what you think about that. You think about that dragonfly in this and adding the scissors. And also, some really good news, my glow-in-the-dark patch is now available in my website. See, that's what it looks like with the lights off. And so, kind of a limited stock right now, but if you're interested in that, be sure to go to my website, check that out, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.